Good afternoon, folks. Happy Easter. This is Angela Lisi, meteorologist with National Severe Weather. Just want to give you an update on the expectations of severe weather this afternoon and evening. What you're looking at now is a regional radar, and as if you've been up today, you've noticed that it has been raining, and it's going to continue to do so through the evening hours. And that is actually our biggest threat today is isolated flash flooding through the overnight hours from all the showers and storms that we're going to be getting. We're expecting 2 to 4 inches of rainfall, which could cause some isolated flash flooding. That seems like the best chance of any type of severe weather. However, if you're looking at this, you can see some stronger storms that are developing in Mississippi and kind of northern Alabama as well. Now, there's a warm front across Mississippi and Alabama, and that continues to push northward towards Davidson, Williamson counties. I'm not sure if it'll reach all the way to I-40, but if it does, that will increase our chances of seeing some damaging winds and possibly isolated tornadoes from any kind of stronger storms that develop along that warm front south of it, as well as a low pressure center that's over Mississippi as it moves towards us. So if we look at what this one particular model thinks that is going to happen, it initialized well, which means it looked at the current situation and kind of reflected that in its model data. So it started off looking pretty good. And what this particular model run does is it brings that squall line that is in Mississippi right now, pushes it east northeastward, and kind of does a line along the I-65 corridor. So we're just going to have to monitor this over the next few hours. So if this does pan out, what that would mean is around like 5 to 6 p.m., that line could pass through our counties. And if it did, damaging straight line winds would be the biggest threat, but we can't disclude the threat for an isolated tornado or two. So just keep staying abreast and watch local news. Pay attention to National Severe Weather. Make sure that you have a severe weather preparedness plan in place because these storms are hauling booty. They are moving fast. So if a warning comes out, severe thunderstorm warning or tornado warning for these two counties, you need to pay attention to those and take your shelter immediately. Don't waste time today, just in case. So hopefully we'll have a better idea of what happens in the next couple of hours.